Imagine waking up at 25 with 6 figures in your bank account. No debt, no financial stress. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the catch. Most people never get there because they waste the most valuable asset they have: time. What if I told you that starting to invest as a teenager could set you up for the kind of wealth and freedom most adults only wish for? Stick around, because in the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. But be warned, you'll need to move fast. Every day you wait, you're missing out on something that can never be replaced. Section 1. The power of starting early time. It's your secret weapon, and it's ticking away. Why? Because the earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow. Let me break it down with a quick story. 2 friends, Alex and Jordan, both earn the same amount of money at their part-time jobs, but Alex starts investing at 18 while Jordan waits until 25. By the time they both hit 40, Alex has nearly double the wealth, and Jordan's trying to play catch-up. Crazy, right? Now, I know what you're thinking. Sure, but where am I supposed to get money at 18? My part-time job barely covers my snacks and Netflix subscription. We'll get to that. But first, Section 2. Overcoming fear. It's not as risky as you think. One of the biggest reasons people don't invest: fear. You've heard the horror stories. People losing money in the stock market, recessions wiping out savings. But here's the truth. Long-term investing isn't gambling, it's strategy. The stock market might be volatile day to day, but over time it has always grown. In fact, the average return of the S&P 500 over the last 90 years is around 10% per year. Think about that for a second. 10%. That's money making money while you sleep. Do you really want to leave that on the table because of fear? And let's be real, you're probably taking bigger risks when you trust that mystery meat from your school cafeteria. Section 3. Exciting opportunities for young investors. The excitement? That comes from what you can invest in. As a young investor, you have access to some of the most exciting opportunities that didn't even exist 10 years ago. You can invest in stocks, ETFs, or even crypto. Companies like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. Imagine owning a piece of the brands you use every day. But hold up, before you dive into the latest crypto craze or throw money into stocks, there's one thing you absolutely must know. It's the difference between building wealth and losing it all. And that's coming up next. Section 4. Diversification. The key to long-term wealth. The secret to surviving market ups and downs? Diversification. It's like a well-balanced meal. You don't just load up on carbs and sugar, right? Same goes for your investments. Spread your money across different assets: stocks, bonds, real estate. This way, if one part of your portfolio dips, the rest can keep you stable. And let's be real, putting all your money in one place is about as smart as buying only lottery tickets for your retirement plan. Section 5. How to start with little money. Yes, it's possible. Now, I know you're probably thinking, but I don't have thousands of dollars to invest. Here's the game changer. You don't need thousands. Thanks to apps like Robinhood or Fidelity, you can start with as little as $5. Yup, $5. And guess what? You can buy fractional shares, meaning you can own a piece of companies like Apple or Google without paying for a whole share. But here's the thing, even with $5, there's a massive mistake most beginners make, and I'll tell you exactly how to avoid it next. Section 6. Avoiding the biggest mistake. Emotional investing. Here's where most people lose money. They get emotional, the market drops, and suddenly they panic sell. Or they see a stock skyrocketing and chase the hype, buying at the peak. This is how fortunes are lost. Investing is a long-term game. You've got to stick to your plan, no matter how tempting it is to jump in and out. Remember, time in the market beats timing the market. Unless you've got a crystal ball. In that case, let me know. We'll make millions together. Section 7. Take action today. The power of urgency. Here's where the rubber meets the road. Every day you wait is a day you're losing money you could have made. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need a ton of money. You just need to start. And the sooner you do, the more powerful that snowball becomes. Imagine your future self, free, wealthy, able to make choices because you had the foresight to take action today. Don't wait until it's too late. Remember Alex and Jordan? You want to be Alex. Something important for you. The decisions you make today will define the life you live tomorrow. It's time to stop wishing for wealth and start building it. So if you're ready to take control of your financial future, hit that subscribe button and start your investment journey now. The clock's ticking.